I want to be very clear about this. We have invited guests in here, witnesses, that we wanted to attend who chose not to. I am not going to read letters from people who choose.
But I've made a proposal.
They could have told us the reason when they came. The letter is published, and I think it would be a poor precedent for any chair of any committee in this House to decide to start reading out letters from people who decide for whatever reason not to attend.
Well, I am proposing,
as far as I'm concerned,
made a proposal, and I want to vote on it. I'm calling a vote.
No, you're not.
I'm making a proposal, and I want to vote.
Can I propose an amendment to that proposal?
I want to vote.
Point of order.
Where's democracy gone?
It's fine for you to give your opinion on a point of order, Chair.
Where's
but as I
democracy?
understand it, it's not a dictatorship here.
How can you say that we can't have a vote? I'm calling a vote that we invited this person.
I'm sorry, Deputy McGrath. It's not possible to have a vote on this.
Why not?
Because it's a matter that I have decided as chair.
And where's the democracy?
There is a democracy here.
I'm proposing that we have a vote on it. I've called a vote and it's seconded by Senator Mullen.
Sorry.
On a point of order, Chair, if your concern has to do with delaying witnesses, I would have no problem with a vote being taken later after we've heard from the witnesses. It's not our desire to be discourteous to anybody. It is certainly my desire to highlight major flaws in the way this committee is doing its work.
People are clearly ignorant, please.
Sorry.
So we have some respect for who we're speaking, not to be being scoffed at and being hissed at. It's disgraceful. If we did it, we'd be accused of bullying. So I already said it, we were bullying.
I would reiterate what I have said many times, that each speaker should be given their time to speak. But at the end of the day, we're trying to hear from our witnesses and to discuss matters that are of pertinent importance to the committee. We will come back to this issue after our witnesses this evening.
To be decided now, I'm calling a vote. I'm happy to wait till afterwards as well. I don't want to delay it. But I have called for a vote.
There's no question.
There's no question.
Sorry?
Excuse me. Can I have some order? Please, can I have some order in
you don't have it.
Sorry.
We need respect, not order, please, Chair. I'm calling a vote.
But
and
you can't.
I'm okay if it leaves. I'm asking for a vote. You can call a vote. I'm asking you and to second it that we have a vote on the issue.
You're not entitled to call a vote on this at this point. That is just not the way things work in committee.
Why not? It does in other committees.
Deputy, I am saying that we will revisit this issue later in the day.
I don't mind that at all. I have no problem with that. But I'm just saying that the fact that the vote will we have a vote later?
We will decide about this issue later on.
I want to decide it now.
If members are intent on discussing this issue for another half hour or hour, it's simply not possible to do it at this juncture. We have to show our witnesses more courtesy. We will return to this issue later on, and that is where it is being left. I'm going to suspend the meeting for 5 minutes to allow our witnesses take their seats, and we will then interact with our witnesses as we do every week. Thank you.